Hey guys, it's JD from Ponzo World, and today we're unboxing and reviewing this MP3 player made by PECSU. Now you can find this MP3 player on Amazon. Links for it will be down below this video. If you want to go pick it up, by the way, $80 on Amazon. So overall, it seems to be relatively cheap for what seems to be, judging by the Amazon listing, actually a really good product. I'm really looking forward to reviewing this thing and testing it out. So let's go ahead and start with showing you around the box. You can see here on the front, it says PECSU. On the back right here, we have the Amazon label and some specs right here. Battery capacity, 2,500 milliamps. A few other things right there. You can see it does have Bluetooth, of course. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's go ahead and cut the shrink wrap here. Here we go. Let's go ahead and open it up here. Looks like it kind of opens like an Apple box. There we go. And here it is. Just gonna set that over here. Let's see what we have in the box. Looks like in here, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have. I believe this is just a charging cord. And it is USB-C, so that's pretty cool. A couple of adapters in there, we might need those. Looks like a little pair of headphones. User manual, and okay, it looks like it actually comes with the screen protector too. That's pretty cool. Just gonna put that over here, and let's check this thing out. Here it is. Sweet, looks like it has a little protective film over it already. This thing feels super nice for just 80 bucks. Let's go and see how to turn it on here. Looks like we have power button right here. Click and hold. Okay, there we go. Go ahead and wait for it to boot up here. I will go ahead and give this a charge in just a moment. I'm not gonna bother putting this screen protector on right now. I'll go ahead and wait till after the review. By the way, judging by the little protector here, it is Android based, like it said. There's actually a whole bunch of like specs on here. Right there, a whole bunch of features. Android based, Bluetooth 5.0. You got two dual 3.5 millimeter headphone jacks, max 1 terabyte SD card. Here it is. Very nice. I don't know what kind of Android this thing is running. I don't know what version rather. Let's go ahead and go in here, about device. Android version 8.1.0 right there. Pretty cool. There it is. Let's go ahead and try it out. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a charge, like I said. So yeah, probably gonna go ahead and load some music on here. So there it is. All right, so let's go ahead and go over how to use this MP3 player here. So you simply turn it on. Let's say it was completely off. Just press and hold the side button and it'll boot up. If it was already on, you just press the side button here. You can see it turns the screen on. Here on the main page, we have a podcast application, book applications, iHeartRadio, TikTok, Spotify, Amazon Music, Tidal, Kindle, another book reading application, Audible, Deezer, Pandora, AIMP, which I don't think that's really much of like a music streaming service. It's kind of just built into the software on here. Basically, it allows you to play back your own music. You also have Power Amp here, Apple Music, which is actually really cool. That's what I use. Oxford Dictionary right there. You have even Amazon. Let's go ahead and click on that. I'll just show you guys that it does indeed open up Amazon right here. So that's pretty sweet. Just gonna go back home here. We also have a clock, voice memos app, calculator, calendar, video playing app, gallery app for, of course, looking at photos, ebook application, FM radio, a browser, and also this little assistive touch application here, which if we open that, we could go ahead and turn on the assistive touch here, which is on by default. It's this little thing right here, but I did go ahead and turn it off. So there it is right there. I'm going to show you guys real quick the browser. You can see we got Google right here. If we go here, we go and type in youtube.com. Give it just a second here and it'll load up. You can see right there. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and go home here. We also have this application here, which you could go ahead and play back your own music. This was actually built in. This was already on the device when I got it here. I'm going to go through here real quick just to show you guys. I don't know if it'll let me scroll. I'm not sure why it's not letting me scroll right now, but anyways, there's that. I'm going to pause it though. Also have this application here, which this is basically just a device storage manager. You go through here, you could delete some applications if you wanted to. Settings app right here. A whole bunch of different settings in here if you want to change them. That's where you set up Wi-Fi and so on. And then here, this is like a file sharing application. You can send and receive files here. Right there, so there it is. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is load up a song file that I have on my phone. I'm going to go ahead and send it to my computer and then go ahead and export it onto this device here. And I'll go ahead and play back a music file to show you guys the quality of the speakers here. I'll even give the included headphones a try just to see how they sound. All right, so I loaded up a song onto the MP3 player here. What I did was I got the included USB-C cord here, plug this end into the device, the other end here into my computer, and I use Android file transfer that was on my computer, and I used it to transfer a file that was on my computer onto the phone here, basically just drag and drop. Do be sure if you're using Android file transfer with this device that the screen and everything is on like you're in the main system, like on the home screen, otherwise it will not transfer. You have to be at this screen right here. So anyways, let's go ahead and load up this application here. And here is the song that I loaded onto here. Let's go ahead and replay it here. Turn it up. And that is the built-in speaker right there. Looks like it's on this side, yeah. Not really anything impressive. It's not even all that terribly loud. I imagine this thing is meant to be used really just with headphones. Like I said, built-in speaker ain't anything special. So let's go ahead and pause this, and I'll go ahead and try out the headphones that came with it. All right, so I went ahead and just tried out the included earbuds here, and while they are better than the built-in speaker, they're also really not all that great. If you're going to be getting this, definitely do invest in a little bit higher end pair of earbuds or headphones or whatever, because these aren't all that great. So just keep that in mind if you are buying this. Overall, except for the headphones and really the built-in speaker, this thing is actually pretty good. I really like the fact that it is running Android. By the way, you could use both of these headphone ports here if you would like. You could have one running to this set of earbuds and the other one running to another set of earbuds if you want to listen to the same song like with your with one of your friends or something. Also really like that it has USB-C. Of course, that is better than micro USB or things of that nature. On the side here, you do of course have that SD card slot, which is nice for expanding the storage. I believe it has 32 gigabytes built in, which actually ain't bad at all. Power button on the side here. Of course, you have your volume buttons right here on the side, right above the power button. Nothing on the top here. But you know, overall for the price of the thing, it's actually really cool. It's almost like a phone, except, you know, you can't make calls on here, but it has all these different applications here. Like I said, you have TikTok, you even have Apple Music, you have Amazon, stuff like that. You even have a web browser. I would really like to see a way to load other applications on here, like for example, like a built-in like an app store or like a Google Play Store, because this is running Android, so you can do that if they, you know, allow that, which I'm pretty certain they don't. There's no application on here to just load in different apps like, you know, Instagram or something like that. But really, like I said, overall for the price of the thing, really nice, seems pretty smooth, and you have a whole assortment of built-in applications here. Overall, for the price of the thing, it's actually really solid. It's kind of like an iPod, but it's running Android and for a much, much cheaper price. So yeah, I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.